Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jesse. Um, I know a lot of you are actually at home. I mean, with the face of the new coronavirus, has actually been taking a lot of business time that have been spent on doing one or two things we're not spending at home. And with the whole work from home things, you really need something that will add an extra penny to your pocket. I know a lot of you have been thinking of what would I actually be able to do from home. Well, I'm here to tell you that a lot of things can actually be done from home. You can actually make good money from home. As a matter of fact, I've actually made a lot of money from home. Those who know me know I've never actually kept a day job, so I've made my living from home since 2014. So it's something that you don't have to say it's impossible. It's not something you say, okay, I cannot do it. No, no, no. The moment you begin to talk like that, it shows that you have already given up emotionally. So I'm here to tell you that you can make good money online. Yes. And what I mean when I mean making good money online, I mean you can make real money online. And just in case you think I'm joking, I'll give you a look at my Fiverr page, because that's one of the angles where you need to actually be focused on, because you can make a lot of money from Fiverr. Okay, take a good look at this. This is something you don't see every day, on making a total of about $28,000 over the last, I think, 2 years or so. So it's something that I know you can do if you're able to put your head to it. So it's not something that's impossible. If I can do it, I mean you can do it. It's something that everybody can do. It just depends on your commitment, your ability to be focused and know how to put the right tips and tricks into work, and then you get the results you're looking for. I'll be actually focusing in the next few days. I'll be talking about copywriting, because what people don't know is that copywriting can make you earn good money online. Yes, copywriting has actually transformed my life, and I'll say that with full confidence, because I know you can make good money with copywriting. Copywriting can transform your life, give you a skill, a very handy skill, and a skill that can set you apart from the rest. So it's something that you need to take your time to focus and be able to understand the intricacies of it. Please don't mind my dashboard. I just don't know why I don't like it organized. I just prefer it like this. So it's something you need to put your head to, and in the next few days I'll be giving you some good nice videos that will open your eyes to the world of copywriting and how much you can make, even in the face of this COVID-19 crisis we have in the world right now. So it's something you can actually do if you follow the tips and tricks I'm about to teach you. And I just want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can hit the subscribe button below, and make sure you hit the bell too, so that when I release my next video, you'll be able to have a glimpse of what the world of copywriting has to do. I'll be teaching you on so many aspects of copywriting, diverse aspects of copywriting, that can transform you into a big guy online. So it's an opportunity you would like to miss. I would like you to stay tuned to my channel and open your eyes. If I could make $28,000 over the last 2 years, mind you, that's not my only Fiverr account. I have multiple accounts, but it's just to focus on this one for the meantime. So if I could make that money over the last 2 years, I believe you can make more than that. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.